Manipur da thokliba Irang Asi Bihar Natraga Uttar Pradesh Gumba achouba state Singda Thokpa Oiramlabadi budget da Chaona Mami Taramgani haina Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na Parliament ta phongdokkhre ngasi chathakiba Lok Sabha gi pifam da Union Finance Secretary Nirmala Sitaraman ngarang Manipur gi budget house da puthokiba adugi matang da khana nainarakpada wafam asi mahakna phongdokhibane Chawragna minute manga khara henna khana nainakhiba aduda mahaki oiba wafam phongdokladuna MP Bimol Akoijam na hai Union Finance Minister na puthokiba Manipur gi budget aduda tha kunma thoi faraba Manipur gi Irang Asi gi matangda mamita de Irang Asi da maram oiraga mioi lising humpu gi mathakta internally displaced person oina lairiba Yung kaya may chakraba sing angang kaya mahi masintamba phangdana lairiba sing amade Irang Asi gi chaitheng chawna nang liba nupi angang singi matangda karigumba amata handaki budget aseta yaude Fibam asida lanjenariba mioi lising humpuro masigi yaifa thaurang matau karabna paikhat kadoribano karigumba Manipur gi Irang Asi Bihar Natraga Uttar Pradesh Gumba India gi achouba state singda thoklamba oirabade budget da Chaona Mami Taramgani sentana hiram khodimakta na thairaga thambiraba Manipur gi miyam ase India gi citizen ama oina chawthokna layu haiba khak yaroi Manipur amasung Indian Union ani gi marakta lainariba mari asigi matangda Manipur miyamna wahang hangba hongnarabane merger agreement ki wafam hojik miyamna nauhongnana ningsingbagi chang aduki matek wangkhalakle amaromda phamang chahida Manipur da thokiba ichaw aduki so national amasung state budget ta mamita de thawong asidi Manipur miyamda ikaiba pibani haina lawe handaki budget asida IDP singi yaifa thabrang economy fagatna bagi wafam amade ichaw gi matangda karigumba amate yaude asigumba aswaiba sing asi semdoktuna mangnumda changsinaba honabinase madu oiba tarabade nongma natraga nongmade aikoisu India gi citizen amani haina chawthokchaba phawrakani haina MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na makhatana phongdokhe
You've been trying to make us invisible, our tragedy as insignificant, and you expect the people of this state to feel like any other Indians and be proud of being an Indian. People have begun to start asking questions about the relationship between our state and the Union of India. People are remembering the instrument of annexation. People are remembering that controversial merger agreement. Why? Because you have allowed the feelings to be groomed like that. And this budget is an addition to that series of action that you have conducted. I've seen floods in my home state. Even the Raj Bhavan was inundated. Every year it has become a ritual. Did the budget reflect anything on that in the national budget? Does it reflect in this budget as well? Nothing of that kind. 11,500 crore, 11,500 wala jo diya gaya tha aapne Bihar ko. Kyun? Because Bihar is more Indian than Manipur. You think that you said that you will try to help the state of Assam and Himachal for the flood. Nothing has been said about Manipur. Ask your governor how the residents of that Raj Bhavan was inundated. Was it a foreign country? Or even if it were an ambassador's house, you would have invested.